Do you hear that?
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be.
Hello Lux Army. Thank you so much for 8 subscribers, and let's hit 100 likes for the next episode to be released. So for this episode, we received an email from a mother named Email who isn't sure where her daughter found this stuffed animal, but she refuses to be fused, and she named it Wiggles. She's worried her daughter is losing her mind, and she sent us this video for proof.
Honey?
Now, Helen mentioned that her husband recently went missing, and she thinks this has caused her daughter to have attachment and abandonment issues. She's worried for her daughter's attachment, so she wants us to drive to her house and observe attachment. Let's go.
Dude, why do you want to film this lady's daughter? It's just a stuffed animal.
This isn't about a stuffed animal. This is about a stuffed animal.
What do you know about stuffed animal?
Your destination is on the right.
Alright, we're here. Let's go inside and meet them.
All right.
Okay, let's knock. Hi.
Hi.
Are you Helen?
Yes, I am she.
Can we come? Okay, Helen. Thank you for sitting down with us.
I think she found it in the basement. She calls him Wiggles.
So, what has she been doing with this stuffed animal?
Everything. She plays with it. She sleeps with it. I even caught her bathing with it.
What?
She will not let me take it away from her.
Have you tried separating her from this stuffed animal?
Yes, but she starts screaming and scratching until I return it.
It's her daughter. What is she doing?
She's feeding it again.
Food. Look how much dude she has. Oh, I want to see what she's doing with that food.
We're still talking here.
Just wait.
Chester. Chester. Chester.
I think she went into here.
Hold on. Just wait here. Chester. What's wrong?
Dude, it's her stuffed animal. She's feeding it.
Let me see. What's the problem? She's sleeping. We're setting up some cameras.
But bro, the stuffed animal was eating. I think it's alive.
Help me find a lock.
She's right there. Why was she peeing at us? I think we upset her.
She's probably just not used to strangers in her house. Let's just go to sleep.
I gotta check something first.
Bruce gonna pass, Mr. Beast.
Suspicious. No, don't be suspicious. Don't.
Oh wait, let's go in her room. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for being part of the Lux Army.